Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you promotions and its policy. Subject name is Dairy Plant Management and discipline is Food and Biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is promotion? Then most of the internal candidates would be stimulated to take up higher responsibility and express their willingness to be engaged in the higher level jobs. Management generally gives the promotion to an employee based on their performance and the need of organization. Then promotion policies. Performance appraisal is a method of evaluating the behavior of employees in the work spot, normally including both of the quantitative and qualitative aspects of job performance. Performance here refers to the degree of accomplishment of the tasks that make up an individual's job. Some of the important features of the performance appraisal may be captured. Thus, first one is performance appraisal is the systematic description of the employee's job relevant strengths and weaknesses. Second is the basic purpose is to find out how well the employee is performing the job and establish a plan of improvement. Third, appraisals are arranged periodically according to the definite plan. Fourth one is performance appraisal is not job evaluation. It refers to how well someone is doing the assigned job. Job evaluation determines how much a job is worth to the organization and therefore what range of pay should be assigned to the job. Fifth one is the performance appraisal is a continuous process in every large-scale organization. Then policy instruments, the enabling environment for dairy sector development, particularly one focused on scaling up operations, hinges on clearly articulating policy objectives and on identifying the appropriate tools for achieving them. In developed countries, the use of certain policy instruments has had a differential impact on different stakeholders. Direct support to the producers involves government taxpayer costs, high tariffs on imports, raise costs to the consumers, and supply restrictions, limit industries and ability to respond to changing global demand for dairy products. Policy measures can be broken down into three broad groupings. First one, those that require legislation and regulatory follow-up. Those that facilitate institutional strengthening. These include the development of commodity associations or boards, 62 targets grants for research and development, facilitation of credit to dairy chain stakeholders, etc. And those that are classified as market-based incentives provided by government through public-private partnerships. These could include government-financed grants for private sector research, pro-poor startup costs for private sector veterinarians interested in working in remote areas, and co-financing of animal insurance schemes. Promotion is basically given by on the basis of their age, or may called as seniority, and on the basis of merit. It will depends upon the work performance and experience. Seniority is basically, some industries prefer seniority, but some prefers merit. So it will depend upon industry to industry. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you very much for watching this video.